What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. This is Lemako S10 steam locomotive, top of the tender. In the previous video I show you the bottom part with wheels assembly. Make sure you have enough popcorn because it might take time. I will explain everything what I did, and this is game changer. So let's get started. This is Zemo HO sound decoder. I can add energy storage device. Originally it was wrapped with shrink tubing too thick to accomplish my project. So I'm going to show you what I did. Here you go. I took original shrink tubing and put Capton tape. So what you see here is a Zemo speaker. That's story for another day. And that current keeper I'm using soundtracks, they works great. I'm using two different sizes of Capton tape. This is 20 millimeters and this is 10. Okay, cutting 20 millimeters, two pieces covering top and the bottom, and I'm same thing I'm doing with that length with the 10 millimeters, and both pieces I'm just covering this here and here. You can do this from that side as well, but it was long enough, the 20 millimeters long enough to cover all those contacts. The decoder is perfectly fit that area, especially they design it for the coal here. Also, see, one capacitor is not here, and that kind of compensate the weight of that capacitor. But again, the weight of the decoder is very light. Oh, here we go. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.